Engineered steel buildings from General Steel are an excellent choice for use as horse stables or equestrian centers. Compared with traditional building styles like pole barn or similar wood-framed structures, steel-framed horse stables provide superior durability, longevity, and performance over the long term. Steel-framed horse stable buildings are faster and easier to build, require less ongoing maintenance, and provide unparalleled protection for horses or other livestock. Uninterrupted interior spans of up to 300 feet allow for more usable space and easier care for horses. And every General Steel building kit is covered by the industry's best structural warranty, lasting 50 years. Our all-in-one building kits contain every component needed to complete the primary and secondary framing of your new horse stable. Also included is the metal sheeting used for exterior siding and roofing. All you need are anchor bolts and a solid foundation. Your entire horse stable building kit arrives on-site in shipments that are fast and easy to unload with a 2-person team and a forklift. We encourage you to bring us your horse stable floor plan and design ideas, as our team specializes in matching your needs with the ideal steel-framed horse stable kit to suit your intended use, customized to include doors, windows, insulation, and other additions tailored to the way you plan on using your new steel building. Our most popular horse stable building sizes include 20 feet by 40 feet, 30 feet by 50 feet, and 40 feet by 80 feet options. Each of these options can be customized to make the best use of every square foot of interior space. This means more room for storage, grooming, tack, and more. Need a qualified local contractor to help with construction? We can connect you with a local resource who will work with you to plan the construction of your steel horse stable building from start to finish, in collaboration with your dedicated project coordinator here at General Steel. We can even help with customized exteriors, including stucco and premium faux stone siding. It all starts with a free quote. Just give us some basic information about the horse stable building you have in mind, and we'll be happy to provide you with a free, no obligation quote. If you're looking for the best in steel-framed building kits, choose the company that has been delivering outstanding value and reliability for over 50 years. Choose General Steel.